Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Jordan 5 by Jordan Brand in collaboration with American clothing brand Awake New York in the black racer blue colorway. These were released on the 30th of August 2025 for the retail price of £190 here in the UK. It comes in a black box with red Awake and Jumpman branding on the lid and at the side. At the back of the box you get New York boroughs with Awake and Jordan branding in white. The shoes come in black translucent paper with NYC boroughs printed all over it. Similar prints can be seen on the included stickers. The shoes come with an extra set of white and racer blue laces and Awake branded orange Nike hang tag. I love the packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2025 marks the 35th anniversary of the Jordan 5. Along with bringing back some OG and reimagined colorways, Jordan Brand brought the energy of New York City with this Awake collab that features a matte tumbled black leather upper with white stitching. Racer blue hits can be seen on the Awake branded insoles and silver reflective tongue. More blue hits can be seen on the heel with Nike Air, and what's nice is the detail of the 23 on the left lateral side and NY on the right. I like the Awake detail on the outsole too, plus the little splatters on the racer blue midsole fangs were a nice touch. On feet I recommend staying true to size. To me, Jordan 3s and 5s are not only the best looking, but the most comfortable compared to the other early Jordans. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Drop a like and comment Queens to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Personally, these are one of the best releases of 2025 and I'm so happy I managed to grab these. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.